Bonjour à tous, hey à tous. Hello everyone. I'd like to just take a moment to share about my journey learning French with Kochiva. So far, I can say it's been great, above expectations, because I get to have a one-on-one experience with my instructor, who's been really guiding me from step to step. Now at level B1, going into B2, and I didn't think I'd learn so much in such a short time. Then I'd really recommend Kochiva to anyone who wants to have that one-on-one experience and really who's devoted to learning French within a certain time. It takes hard work from everyone, and having someone to hold your hand and have a conversation with in that journey is really a good thing. So I'm positive with the remaining part of this, and thank you, Kochiva, for what you've been able to contribute in this journey so far. Thank you.